All right, folks, we're getting ready. We're preparing to go to the client who has a 32 Chevy and weld this piece of metal in place of where this piece of metal was. So what I want to do is create a backing that I can clamp to the back of the weld, so the weld will be able to absorb some heat without melting, without disintegrating the metal, burning holes in it. So we're going to bend this piece of aluminum to the same shape as this. Yeah. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, I think that'll work. See, I'll be able to clamp this to the metal and weld. Like so. You use aluminum because if the weld goes through the metal, it won't stick to the aluminum.